In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to ManyChat and automatically follow up with submitted form data. We're going to build a simple automation that takes information from a Typeform submission, sends it through Zapier or Make, maps that data into ManyChat custom user fields, and then triggers a follow-up message inside ManyChat. This is a great way to keep your conversations personalized and instant without doing any manual work. First, go into ManyChat and create a new flow. Inside that flow, add an external request action, or if you prefer, use the Zapier app integration available in your setup. The goal here is to prepare ManyChat so it can either receive or work alongside the data coming from your form automation. As you set this up, make sure your flow is clearly named so it's easy to find later when you test and update it. Next, move over to Zapier or Make and select Typeform as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Entry. This means every time someone completes your Typeform, the automation will start automatically. Once the trigger is selected, connect your Typeform account and choose the correct form you want to monitor. It's a good idea to submit a test response in Typeform at this stage so your automation platform has sample data to work with during setup. After that, map the Typeform submission data back into ManyChat custom user fields using the ManyChat API. This is the part where each answer from the form gets assigned to the right field in ManyChat, such as a first name, email field, preference, or any other custom data point you've already created. Be careful during mapping because the accuracy of your follow-up depends on the right information landing in the right place. If needed, review your custom fields in ManyChat before finishing this step. Once the data is being passed correctly, set up an automated ManyChat follow-up message that contains or references the completed Typeform data. This message can acknowledge the submission, confirm what the user shared, or continue the conversation in a more personalized way. Keeping the message clear and natural will make the automation feel much more human and helpful. Finally, test the entire workflow from start to finish and then activate the automation flow. Submit a fresh Typeform response, confirm the data appears correctly inside ManyChat, and verify that the follow-up message is delivered as expected. If everything looks right, turn the automation on. At that point, your Typeform and ManyChat connection is